Check out this Hortsun infrared motion sensor lamp holder. Now you get 3 of these in a pack, so we have 1, 2, 3 just like this. And these are lamps that are motion censored that you can use for any type of light in your space. If we take it out, we can see that this is what you'll screw into the light, and then it has a place where you can screw another light into this holder. And what we have in here is actually the motion sensor that is able to pick up if you're moving around in the room. You can turn this light on, and then when you leave the room, it'll turn off completely. So it's a great energy saver as well, and it really helps out to have these lights, you know, in various rooms throughout your house. Now with these holders, there is a time setting on here which you can change up, so you can go from 10 seconds up to 5 minutes in terms of how long it'll stay on while you're using these lights. And then you also have a brightness in here as well. So we are on full brightness at the moment, but you can lower it so it doesn't have to be so bright when you're using this light. It can be a bit dimmer. So we're gonna show you how easy it is to install this motion sensor light, and hopefully this will work through this little shade out here. So what we'll do is just screw this in so that it's used just like that, and then we'll take the light bulb that was in there and screw it in like so. So we'll now turn this on and try it out and see if this actually works. All right, so as you can see, we are going to move, and there we go. Now it'll turn on because it felt that we were in the presence of the light, and the sensor is shooting out at a very wide range, so you're able to pick up whatever you feel, whatever you are moving around this room, it'll turn that light on. What we'll do is leave the room and just show you how long this will take to turn off. There we go. So it takes about 5 to 10 seconds to turn off. So if we then go back underneath it, it'll turn on once again. I love the fact that you get 3 of these in a pack. We had this one, which was the motion sensor, and then the other ones were the always on light. So these lights are environmentally conscious. You just have lights that will turn off when you leave the room. So they're just really great lights to include with your space. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.